Welcome to Unit 401 of the Artview condominium in the heart of Shaw. This is a gorgeous 2-bed, 2-bath, plus den, plus roof deck condo, 1,169 square feet. It's got gorgeous high-end finishes, such as reclaimed hardwood oak wide plank floors. You'll see in the bathroom we have a double vanity, huge walk-in closet, from 2025, full-size washer and dryer. Gorgeous details. It's in excellent condition. Walk-in shower, beautiful detailing with the tile. It's a big linen closet there. This building is very quiet, double pane glass. Indoor-outdoor flow. Imagine entertaining your friends here or your family. These glass doors open up, they fold out for a balcony the length of the unit. There's room for a cafe table out here, a couch, a couple of chairs. But upstairs you'll see the roof deck. In addition, waterfall counters, quartz. We have Thermador appliances, gas stove. Really wonderful. It's peaceful and serene up here. The second bedroom is a good guest room. It has a good sized full closet. You can put a futon, a single bed, or a small couch with a full size mattress. Can fit in this space to pull out. These sliding glass doors close for privacy. There's another option upstairs for a single bed that could be there, or a day bed. This is the second bathroom. It's in fabulous condition. Feels almost brand new. It's hardly been used. And let's go upstairs. Crown jewel. This is really an amazing place if you like to have parties and guests over. The upstairs can be an office or a sitting room. Going out to this huge private roof deck. There's room for a single bed plus some extra here if you wanted, or a day bed. Going out to this roof deck for full city views. You can see the Washington Monument over there. It's a green roof. This is a LEED certified building with a lot of special touches. There's only 6 condos in the building. Now you see with the roof deck open. So put your music on, take your choice, ride your bike on over. There's room for motorcycle or Vespa parking, bicycle. There's also a bike rack in the basement. There's a private storage facility. Wonderful street full of restaurants and entertainment spots.